Hey, so today I've got a Wren Bird rim cylinder. That looks like that, one of them. Very common in Britain. Don't know if elsewhere have them, but it's like the usual Yale ones that we get over here. Going in the top of the key, I haven't got a key for this. I've got 40 cylinders, rim, and I suppose that is a rim as well, but I think they call it a mortise in America, that one, which is different to the mortise we got over here. Anyway, enough of that. I've got a short hook, number 3 Peterson. Just to let you know, I took this clip off in preparation. I did make a video. This clip caused me such aggro to get it off. I decided to start the video again. Right, so wriggle my way to the back. Okay. I can feel 3, 4 and 5 all pushing down. It's a 5 pinner. Okay, that was number 4 that made the click. I believe number 5 is also home. Fairly light tension. I'm not being too aggressive with it, because it just basically all seizes up. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 3. Giving me a bit of jib there. I think it is done now, and hopefully, I think we only got one to go somewhere. Where is it? Number 4 again. Number 1. There we go. Open. Oh, Nearly pulled the plug out completely. I forgot all about that. Hold on to the plug. Okay, and with my follower. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. And excuse my squeaky chair. That is so straightforward. I don't really hold out much hope for what is down here. So we're all standard key pins down the bottom, and I don't know. I don't even think there's any security pins in this, but standard. All the same sized standards. Another standard. Well, I can tell you something for nothing. They're not all going to be standards when they go back in. Right. Oh, shoot. That is the bird, Wren. Come on, focus. Don't know quite why it's not wanting to focus. Let's do it this way instead. Yeah, all the key pins standard down the bottom, very worn as well. The plug looks quite worn. Yeah, there's all the top pins, the drivers, nothing to it. Disappointed if I'm being honest. And yeah, there's nothing in the plug. A little bit of the edges knocked off the top of that, that's about it. I don't even know if that makes it harder or easier to pick, but either way, we'll stick some goodness back in it. Yeah, down there. I might do a video in the future of a new and improved Wren Bird. Anyway, sorry for the jiggling around. Thank you ever so much for your time. Take it easy, and lots more to come. I've got loads of these things, so I'll be doing loads of videos soon. And yeah, subscribe, like. Catch you soon. Be good.